Welcome to another episode of our channel. Today we're going to talk about why eggs are probably the best weight loss food. Yes, you heard it right. The humble egg, the same one that your breakfast sandwich is made of. Now, before you click off this video, hear us out. We promise it's going to be egg-cellent. But before we dive into the topic, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. This way you won't miss out on any of our future videos and you'll help us create more content like this one. Also, do check out the link in the description for free resources to help you out on your fitness journey. First and foremost, let's talk about the protein content in eggs. One large egg contains about 6 grams of protein, which is essential for building and repairing muscle tissue. When you eat protein, your body burns more calories digesting it than it does with carbohydrates or fats, which means you'll feel full for longer and burn more calories in the process. And it's not just about the quantity of protein in eggs, it's also about the quality. Eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein that our bodies cannot produce on their own. This means that eggs provide a complete protein source that is easily digestible and readily available for our bodies to use. In fact, studies have shown that consuming eggs for breakfast can help promote feelings of fullness and reduce calorie intake throughout the day, which can be beneficial for weight loss. One study even found that overweight adults who ate eggs for breakfast consumed fewer calories at lunch and for the next 36 hours than those who ate a bagel for breakfast. But don't just take our word for it. The protein content in eggs is backed up by nutrition experts and organizations such as the American Heart Association and the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, who recommend eggs as a healthy protein source. So, if you're looking for a satisfying and nutrient-dense protein source to support your weight loss goals, eggs are definitely worth considering. Plus, there are so many ways to enjoy them, from boiled to scrambled to baked in a frittata or quiche. So go ahead and crack open some eggs for your next meal. But wait, there's more. Eggs are also rich in vitamins and minerals such as vitamin D, which is crucial for bone health, and choline, which is essential for brain function. And the best part is, eggs are low in calories, so you can eat a few without feeling guilty. In addition to being a great source of protein, eggs are packed with nutrients that are vital for overall health. For example, one large egg contains about 45% of the recommended daily intake of selenium, which is a mineral that plays a key role in metabolism and thyroid function. Eggs are also rich in vitamin B12, which is important for healthy nerves and red blood cells. Furthermore, eggs are an excellent source of vitamin D, which is important for calcium absorption and bone health. In fact, eggs are one of the few natural sources of vitamin D, and just one large egg contains about 6 of the recommended daily intake. This makes eggs a great food choice for those who are lactose intolerant or have difficulty absorbing calcium from dairy products. Another important nutrient found in eggs is choline, which is essential for brain function and development. Choline is involved in many processes in the body, including cell structure, nerve function, and metabolism. In fact, research has shown that getting enough choline in your diet can improve memory and cognitive function. But it's not just the vitamins and minerals that make eggs nutrient-rich. Eggs are also high in antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which are important for eye health and may help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Additionally, eggs are a good source of healthy fats such as omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for heart health and can help reduce inflammation in the body. Overall, it's clear that eggs are not only a great source of protein, but also a nutrient-rich food that can provide a wide range of health benefits. So the next time you're looking for a healthy and satisfying meal, consider reaching for some eggs. Now let's talk about how versatile eggs are. You can eat them in so many ways: boiled, scrambled, fried, poached. The possibilities are endless. You can even add them to salads or make them into omelets with your favorite vegetable. Eggs are also a great go snack, making them an excellent option for busy people. And let's not forget about baking. Eggs are a crucial ingredient in many baked goods, from cakes and cookies to bread and quiches. They add moisture and structure to the recipe and can even act as a leavening agent. Plus, eggs can be a healthier alternative to other baking ingredients such as butter or oil. But the versatility of eggs doesn't end there. Did you know that you can use them to make homemade mayonnaise or hollandaise sauce? Or that you can pickle eggs for a delicious and unique snack? The possibilities really are endless. Another great thing about eggs is that they pair well with so many different flavors and cuisines. You can add them to a classic breakfast dish like bacon and eggs, or use them to make a savory Asian-style fried rice. Eggs can even be used in desserts, such as custards and meringues. And let's not forget about deviled eggs, a classic party food that can be customized with a variety of toppings and seasonings. The versatility of eggs means that you can enjoy them in so many different ways, making them a staple in any kitchen. So there you have it. Eggs are probably the best weight loss food. They're an excellent source of protein and nutrients, low in calories and incredibly versatile. If you're trying to lose weight, incorporating eggs into your diet can be a great way to stay full and satisfied without consuming too many calories. Thanks for watching, folks. Now we know what you're thinking. Enough with the egg puns already. But seriously, we hope you found this video exciting and educational. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fun and informative content. See you in the next video.